Hey everybody, this video is going to walk you through the textbook adoption process. It's brand new this semester. We're going to use it to adopt our summer texts, and then we're going to use it from that point forward. If you've done this before, you remember we had that spreadsheet where we would enter all of our books for all of our sections, and it was kind of clunky and inefficient and easy to mess up. So this is going to be much easier, and I think you're going to like it. Super simple. We're going to go to the faculty portal page to start with, and once you get here, the first thing you need to do is make sure that the correct term is selected. I've got summer of 18 selected right now, and if you want to do fall, then change it to fall, and so on and so forth. If you scroll down under academic, you'll see a link, course books. You need to click on that, and it will take you to this page. Once you get to this page, you're going to have to search for the course you want to adopt textbooks for. So I'm going to say English 1302, and this is for summer, so I've only got 3 sections. And then I'm going to click on the course I want to change the textbooks for. When this page pops up, you'll notice that these textbooks that are already here may or may not be the ones that you need. These are completely wrong for the English 1302 course because these came over from the summer of 17. So we were still using these books in the summer of 17. We changed for the fall and also for the spring. So I need to change both of these textbooks to be correct. Once I get here, I can do all kinds of stuff. I can remove a book, I can add a book, I can copy to all sections, but we're going to edit. So I'm going to click right here where it says edit. And this page right here will pop up, and you'll have the opportunity to add in the ISBN, the book title, author, publisher, all that kind of good stuff. So we're going to start by changing the ISBN number on this handbook because it's not correct. Okay. And it is called the DK Handbook. The author is Wysocki and Lynch. Publisher Pearson. You can tell I've done this already. I was playing around with this. Copyright 2016. I don't need the publisher phone. And then once I have entered all the correct information, then I can save it. Once I save it, it comes back to the original list, and then I can change my second book, which I'm not going to do right now because you saw me change the first one and you don't need to see me do that again. So let's talk a little bit about copy to all sections. If I hit this button, copy to all sections, it's going to move my new textbooks to all similar sections. So if I hit this copy to all sections button, my new textbooks are going to be copied to all English 1302 courses, regardless of instructor. So I'm going to do that right now. And it's going to say it will overwrite all existing books. I do want to do that. And the other thing you need to know is that you can edit this as many times as you need to until the cutoff point or the deadline for us to have our books turned in. Okay, so our processing of the copy to all sections function is finished, and I want to double check that it actually worked, so I'm going to check on this other class and see if the books have changed. And they have. There's the DK, and I went ahead and changed the second book also. So both of those are correct, and then that's really all there is to it. It's very simple. There's one other thing I want to make sure I tell you, and that is if you have a whole bunch of sections that are the same, but you've got maybe one section that's piloting a new book or an OER or something like that, it's best to go ahead and copy the new books to all your sections and then go back and edit just that one section that's different, because it'll save you a lot of time. So if you have any questions, you can let me know, and I hope this made things easier for you. Have a great day.